person. Hey! Hey! That's set. See me. That's fine. Hey! A joke. In fact, it hang. It clear everywhere. Set. Woo! I'm getting it. Yeah? Jesus! Amanda, you there here? I don't know say the door open.
Vivi! What are you doing? Wait, learning how to catwalk?
Who knows how to walk at work? I was learning how to catwalk. I nearly break my spinal cord.
Vivi, honestly, you're funny.
Not be funny, Matao. Now, when I tell me make I learn catwalk, make I impress all these men, tell people say I don't arrive, say I don't belong. And I'm waiting at the learn now.
I understand, but just take it easy, okay? So they won't get spinal cord injury. Vivian, where are you going to dress this week?
I won't go see Chief Akokalia.
Wow.
He said he has a surprise for me.
You know he's a money bag. He has a way of showing his generosity. Anyway, until then we'll see what he has for you.
Are you coming with me?
No. I have a date with Odog by 5. What about the money Alichi promised you?
What do you think? Babes, I don't need Mawana Kwaka. He paid in the sum of 1 million naira into my account last week.
Wow! Your maga just did pay anyhow.
What do you think? Babes, I am blessed. Not be my fault. Check me out. Get down, Fozo. You know they see everywhere straight, everywhere pointed, everywhere good. It choke, it clear, it hang.
Easy, please.
Right there? Odogu house. Here I come.
Yes.
Okay.
Just take it easy.
I will.
So that you fall. Should I come and hold you?
I don't go fall. I don't go fall.
You're so funny, honestly. You're so funny.
We go.
They say something way sweet to the king. She go enter highway. She forgets her speed in the king. That shot got you for.
Oh baby, you're the best in the world.
Really?
Sure. Baby, you are adored with a perfect feminine physique, blessed with intelligence, possessed a great sense of humor. Baby, there is something unique about you than your friends.
Chief, please. You are flattering me.
Oh, baby, remember I told you I have a surprise for you.
Oh, yes, you said so. In fact, I'm waiting for the surprise.
A big one at that.
Can I see?
Okay. Come on, close your eyes.
Oh, Chief.
And open your hand.
Chief, please. Just give me the surprise already.
Just open your mouth.
Okay.
Okay.
Open. Wait. It's a cake. Wait. Chief.
Yes.
You bought a car for me?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! Chief, thank you. You are the best. In fact, Chief, I love you. I love you more than anything in this world, Chief. Thank you.
It's okay, my dear. See, the Jeep at the garage is now yours. So,
Jeep, we're not even ordinary car. Yeah. Jeep, that SUV. Of what they can exert. Thank you.
Yes. You see, whatever you want to do with it, sell it or use it. Everyone needs money. Yes.
Chief, we're not going to sell it. I am going to paint the campus red, green, blue, all sorts of color. In fact, pepper them gang. I'm going to cruise it in the campus. Chief!
Go ahead.
Chief,
Do
you
whatever
are
you
the
want.
best! Hi!
Yes. That's my baby.
Very.
And whose car was that? Can you imagine, my girl? I heard the car belonged to that Okrika girl.
You say?
I'm telling you.
No, wait, how come? That's a cricket girl. Where the hell did she get money from? Hey!
It's unbelievable.
So they want to compete with us in this campus, right? No, wait, they want to compete with us. I will show them. Natasha, I will show them that no matter how much a millipede tries to stretch itself, it can never be longer than a serpent. I will show them. Barman!
Barman, give us drink.
I'll put my head down.
Barman! Like this, my girl, I don't vex. I don't vex. You see those girls? If they buy one car, we will buy two. If they buy more, we will buy more. In fact, if they buy house, we will buy the estate that they crazy. What is Barman? Barman! Come.
Don Ben. How are you? Oh, I'm fine. I'm good. Oh, okay. But next weekend. Very well then. You'll definitely see me. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right, Chief. Take care of yourself, okay? Bye. Hey. Babes, what's up?
Babes, I do.
You don't look bright. Is everything all right?
Is he not my father?
What about your father?
Babes, please. I don't want to talk about that now. I just need something to cool off. Maybe I will explain later. Do you have brandy or something? Let me just cool myself off.
Of course, I have everything, and you're not a visitor in my house. Help yourself. There's brandy, there's smoke. Help yourself.
Your dreams and your aspirations, I've been here you go and
Ah, my prince.
Daddy.
Ah, my prince. Don't worry, eh? Food will soon be ready. I know you're hungry. Yeah? Food will soon be ready.
Daddy, where is mommy?
Your mommy is fine. Don't worry. She'll soon be home, okay?
No, call her on phone.
Okay. I'll call her once we finish cooking. Okay?
No, now.
Junior. Okay. I'll call her. Hello, darling.
How are you?
I'm good. And you? What happened? Eh? You stopped communicating for long. I was so worried. And Junior here wasn't even helping matters. Look, he insisted he must speak to you today. He's even grabbing the phone from me.
I'm sorry. I missed you. Let me speak to you.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Talk to your mom.
Hello, mommy. Fine. I miss you too. I love you too.
Continue to be a good boy, okay? I'll see you soon.
Yes. Bye.
Darling, when are we seeing you?
Very soon. I will come back very soon. Take care of yourself, baby. Bye. What has come over me? Why have I suddenly seemed to have abandoned my family? Why have I become a serpent? Well, I think it's for our own good, myself and my family. But Veronica, there is no excuse. There is no excuse at all. No excuse for immorality. In fact, I think I have to go and see my family. Yes, I have to go and see them.
Vera don't go school, school come pass through Vero. She come they misbehave, they follow bad girls so they waka. But she forget say something way sweet they kill me. She go enter highway, she forget say speed they kill me. That shortcut you follow, they lead you straight to destruction. What sort of life without peace of
travel? Don't you understand we have an appointment we can't miss? I don't even understand why you're looking like this.
Listen, my mother is sick, okay? And she needs blood transfusion. And I'm the only one whose blood matches hers. And about the way I'm looking, I want to appear decent to my parents.
Listen, girl, I don't understand what you're talking about. This event has to do with Ministry of Culture and Tourism. And they're going to pay handsomely well. You can send them money and they'll buy blood somewhere. Look, money answered all things. Okay? Every dog needs a bitch. They're going to pay us handsomely well.
Well, like I said, I cannot it's my mother we're talking about here. Please. I must go. I must go.
Alright. I'll drop you up there.
Good, give me 5. My boy. No mean no external. Good.
It's my boy.
Oh, my darling,
I missed you, Mom. Okay.
Oh my God. Hey! Honey, how did you pull this stunt?
What stunt?
I mean all these things you bought for us. Because I'm aware you are only a student. I was even bothered that I've not been able to send you money for your academy. And here you are, surprising me.
My love, you don't have to be surprised. God has been good.
Oh.
God is faithful. Remember the Okrika business I told you about?
Of course.
Money making machine. Boom! Everywhere catch fire. That business is very lucrative. Very, very lucrative. Yes.
Wow, just like your Akara business. Thank God you're blessed with special business acumen.
You can say that again.
Anything you put your hands on prospers. Oh, na gaga. Junior, see now. See what your mommy bought for you.
You like it, right?
Hey.
So, enough about me. How about you? How are you coping? How are you people coping?
Darling, I've been managing, as you can see. But you see, I lost weight. And I've been missing your food.
You and food.
Yes, now I can't get enough of it, especially from you.
Okay.
And baby, you're looking more radiant now than ever. I hope those campus boys are not disturbing you. Because, you know I'm very jealous, especially when it comes with you.
My love, you don't have to fight.
Yeah.
You don't even have to bother yourself because those campus boys, they're not even fine. They are not as handsome as you are.
Yeah, make me 10 feet taller. You know how to sweet talk me up. Okay, I believe you.
Good day, sir.
Good day, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Please, is Veronica around?
No, she's not around.
Okay.
Hello?
How are you?
I am fine.
I was driving past your apartment and I didn't get to see you. Are you around?
I'm not around.
Where did you go to, honey?
I came home to see my family.
Okay. Please endeavor to see me when you return, okay? I can't wait to have you again. I promise to pay you very well. Handsomely, I promise to pay you. Okay?
No problem. I'll give it to you when I come back.
Okay, my love. Love you, sweet. Please remember to call me when you return. V, I can't wait to see you, seriously. Alright.
Who was that?
Okay. My classmate. He wants to borrow my handouts. But I told him that I'll give it to him when I come back.
I see. Students and borrowing. It's normal.
Can I say that again? Everybody's broke.
These things are quite nice. And you bought exactly Junior's size. Junior, you see all the lovely clothes Mommy bought for you. What do you say?
Thank you, Mom.
Good boy.
Thank you, son. Anything for you, my pumpkin.
You're cheating, honey. Come here. Okay, let's go and test the car.
See beauty sizing.
April?
Your face looks familiar. Still trying to remember the face.
Okay. Claudia, I met you last year in Dubai. You came shopping with your parents and I took you around the mall.
Oh my goodness. The jovial Claudia. Ah. Sweetheart, I'm so sorry for my poor memory.
It's fine. It's been a while, so you're allowed to forget me. So, how's your parents, your father, the excellency, and your beautiful mom?
They're doing fine.
Okay. And what are you doing around here?
I got admitted newly in the university.
Okay. What's your major?
Faculty of Management.
accountancy 300 level.
Wow. So happy to see you.
Let me have your number so I can hook up with you later.
My pleasure.
All right. Call it.
081.
Yeah.
83. 000.
Yeah.
409.
409. I'll call you so we can talk.
Okay, that reminds me, sweetheart. My birthday is coming up on the 23rd. So I am going to invite you officially.
All right. Be safe around you, okay?
Sure, I will.
Bye. See you soon.
Okay, bye.
So tell us, how did you get to meet her?
Well, we met at Dubai when I went shopping with my parents. She was actually nice and helpful. Any problem?
Not really. She's just not our kind of girl.
Exactly. We don't just like her. Simple.
Exactly why I came to see you girls after lectures. Okay, let's start with the color of the day. What do you girls think of white?
No. I mean, everyone uses white. It's a normal color. Besides, who's even as pure as the white?
Yeah.
So I think we should try something different.
No. I quite agree with Natasha. We shouldn't use white. Let's think of something else. Maybe orange or purple. What do you think, girls?
No, I kind of prefer green, gold, or even yellow for we and other guests. Why April should dress on green and white.
What a color, Riot.
Too many colors. Too much. Really? Let's do orange. Orange will be fine. You guys will like it.
Well, anyways, that actually sounds nice.
Thank you.
What do you girls think?
Orange.
Please, orange.
Orange.
There you go.
You're gonna like it.
Remember what I was telling you? So what did he say? Anyway, I'll just look for a way to sort it out anyway. Yvonne, how may I help you, angry birds? Well, I'll choose to ignore that. I mean, I'll take that as a compliment. Coming from a stark, raving woman like you. Who cares about your rants?
Natasha, I ask again, what do you want? Do not make me lose my patience. And as you can see, we are not as idle and cheap as you girls. We are busy-minded.
Fine. I will make it snappy and fast for you, Miss Busy, doing nothing. It's about my friend April, the governor's daughter, the one who just got an admission into this campus. It has come to my notice that you and your papas have been praying your desperate eyes on her. Note, she belongs to us. Stay away from her. I mean, she's big a chick to have anything to do with you hawks and vultures. Stay the hell away from her. Else, you will regret your action.
Eh? I will regret. You're mad! V.
It's okay. I can see you girls are not just stupid and mad, but you're desperate fools.
And how dare you, dirty dog, call us names? Look who is talking. You are so shameless. Huh? You don't even have class in the first place. So how dare you talk to us as in, why should you open your useless mouth and talk to us?
smelling pig. Just let her be. I mean, we don't need to go violent with them. An eagle can never notice a vulture no matter how high it tries to fly. The stump is enough to test its power and strength, and it's also enough to caution it. If you fail to listen to what I just told you, you will face the consequences. Stay away from April. Hey! It's quite regrettable that you girls are a bunch of lunatics. Oh yes. You're a bunch of lunatics in dire need of a psychiatric help. Honestly. But I tell you what. You know say before, I be no one follow them talk. Talk now, give them mouth now, not be you again. I be no one talk before. Eh? Hey. But you see me like this, eh? If you try anything stupid, I'll not be you again. They don't know. They don't know. They don't know how far.
Look at this thing. The Okreka girl. So you now have mouths.
You are right, my darling. Now me be the Okreka girl.
Yes, so.
Correct or cookie bowl.
Yes, so.
With power.
They go collect.
You not try anything stupid.
You go collect.
You see this Okreka hand?
Aye.
I grew up the hard way. Keep quiet. You try anything stupid. That is who you are now. I won't hold you here. They don't know how. They don't know.
You're just showing yourself. I'm a girl. I love that. I'm shaking. You shake. You shake.
In my days, they talk. You bend that select. 10 years I'm the young. That's why you speak English now.
We don't even need to banter words with this bunch of idiots. See, I'm in a good mood today. If not, I would have shown them the difference between Bolingo and Jalingo.
What's that your name again? Veronica? Or no? V, like they popularly call you, right? That's V for vacant brain. I cannot condescend myself so low to exchange words with a wretch like you. No, I won't do that. I'm too big for that. At this point, girls, I think we need to go because I'm allergic to that stench. This whole vicinity smells with, okay.
Hey, you know what? You girls should thank your God that we are in a happy mood. You for collect from Veronica now. You for collect. Oh, this time. You for go. We don't have for the leave. They go now. You have, in fact, this is your straight. Trash out of my way. Listen to me. Lady V or whatever you call yourself.
I have had enough of your insult and your power game in this campus. Stay off my path. Do not push me into the wall, else I will sting you like a bee.
Indeed, a bee you are. And that's why you burst in time. If not, you would sting immediately. But I tell you what, girl, I have what it takes to kill this. And you are nothing but a lousy feeble.
No matter how hard you try to belong, you will never be redeemed from the claws of primitivity. You are nothing but a local breed of dog, who certainly has no place within the fold of Pantheon. That is what you are.
Local dog? I'm a local dog. But I will show you how deadly the bite of a local dog can be. Especially that of a kitten. Are you familiar with that?
Now! Well, I will be waiting, dog. But for now, take this thing, your jalopy, out of my way. Now. Please take this thing out of my damn way.
She has not seen anything yet.
The fact that she opened that her gutter mouth to call me Lady V, a dog, a local one at that, simply because I went to her for help. She must feel the bite of an iguke.
Babe, you say pity her now. Pity for her.
Pity her for what? When I've not even started. This is the beginning of my vengeance, baby girl. Woo! Life is sweet.
Yes, I remember.
Yes, we remember.
Okay. This weekend is her birthday party.
Oh.
She invited me and asked me to come along with you girls.
Wow! It is gonna be lit.
Okay, that's not all. Okay. You know her father, the governor, will be coming. He's not just coming alone. He's coming with his coal bag money politician friends.
Oh, girl, you can say that again. Honestly, I cannot wait to be there. You sure know me, huh? You know me.
Okay, we are going to paint there with elegance and style.
You can say that
Really?
again.
Wow, this is good news.
Honestly, I cannot wait to be there. You sure
wait
know
to
me,
be
huh?
there. In fact, I'm already there.
Okay, she told me about the color of the day, but not to worry about that. We will sure look good, dress hot, and paint everywhere with fire.
Wow. That's the spirit of it. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. We understand.
She couldn't come pass through the road. She come to misbehave.
Babes, I beg. People are listening very well. I just got the beg with everything on this. Everything on keep precious for this life.
Avoid Governor Antimora from you.
See?
Avoid her from you. Hey, make nobody cross her. I go kill the person. I dey tell you on my own now. Jesus, have you seen that man? I mean, his broad shoulders, his pointed nose. He's too cute for my liking. No cross her more, especially you. Those I don't trust you.
Cuteness indeed. Is it his fat pulse you are after or his cuteness? Who cuteness help?
Whatever, na money be fine, Bobo.
I beg. I use God beg all of us. That's my eye is sharp like Tifma touch. I don't want to hear story. I don't want to see any of you close to my Senator Abode. You all know me. I don't like to share. So make una day everywhere. Where you where everybody.
Were me not here? No, wait, were me not here?
So for my front, una dey share the two big fishes among two of una. So me I no like better thing now. As Aaron why be? Una dey mental, una dey mad though. Can you imagine? But honestly, I can't wait for the D-Day. I seriously can't wait. That babe, April, she's indeed an asset to us. Make we make use of it so. Now big advantage to our, our clique.
How they deal with people who don't get sense? Yeah.
But wait. You look us finish, can't they call us a shower? What till you be? See, man, no see near my own bobo.
This is a drag man, no. I be entrepreneur. I'm not be a shower. Better entrepreneur. I don't want share, but I gonna correct gesture. I'm happy that we got her first.
Yeah.
No dull moment, I beg. No darling. I can't wait to party hard. I can't wait to see her. I can't wait.
If you no get money, make you hide your face. Make you hide your face. Competition every way. Who's the greatest? That's the game. Fake life is the order of the day. Extravagant living every day.
Sorry? Was this supposed to be a zoo party?
And in case you don't know, you guys are dressed like cultural dancers!
Okay, fine. It's very obvious you girls came to this place to actually exchange words with us, but trust me, coming from a person of frivolities, I don't think I'm in the mood to hear this bullshit. Well, you guys dress like some things I watch in the GSTV, like some nuts. You white? Are you guys zebras?
Dressed like a cultural dancer!
What is wrong with you girls?
Who is that?
Calm down, girls!
Hold on.
Hello?
Can you just hold on? I don't know why you guys are agitated. I mean, they're kids. We can't deal with some shenanigans.
Did you
So
hear
please,
that?
I think I need to get out from here.
It's okay. You guys actually called us shenanigans, right?
Oh, you were so lucky that she called you people's acts as shenanigans. Oh if it were to be me, I would refer you girls as urchins!
Okay. Baby, you know what? I appreciate the fact that people who are dressed like corporates came to this place to call us urchins. But what about an old bird, an old eagle walking up to me to call me shenanigans? That makes you a crunked, old, haggard, dried urchin.
What is going on here, girls? What is wrong with you? You girls have succeeded in embarrassing me before my guests. Should any of this news or video of tonight leak out, my father will never forgive me. Considering the dent of what this is going to leave on his image. You know what? How do I even explain to my father that I have irresponsible ladies as friends? Do you know what the press will tag you guys as? Lunatics, shenanigans, hooligans.
Oh. Sorry, April. We didn't mean to do that. You should just try and understand.
April. Of course now you. And because we love you. Normally, why will you invite those guys like with this size zoo now? Oh, you bring it to a party. Just take a good look at us. Look at us. You can't don't see your guests come on a party. Of course we love you, because you're a correct girl. You fucked up, oh. Forget, with the reason you fucked up.
Just carry those yeah girls, come they stay nose.
Oh, no, see, no, don't let talk this thing, I beg. What's he happen? Who be your papa? No, wait, now be the first governor. See, you don't sound like oh. I don't like no sex at all. What's he happen? No, who be your papa? Who it be? Who it be?
Hey. You know what? From today henceforth, I don't want to see any of you around me.
You say? No. See, starting to worry you. You don't like that.
You see? Okay, babe. Hey, are you okay? Sorry.
See, I don't like that.
Come on.
No, let me stop.
You okay? Are you okay? Sorry. Leave it for him. Sorry.
No, don't do it.
Natasha, what did I do to you? What did I do to you? What did I do to you? You just messed me up. What did I do to you? No, sorry. What did I do to you? No, come on here. Come on here. What did I do to you? I'm going to come on here. I'm not April. What did I do to you? Why did you drag me back? Come on here.
What is going on? It's been almost 10 years since you entered the university. You have not graduated. All the people that started with you in this village have all graduated. They have served and they are working. The ones that want to get married, they get married. But you're on every day you are in school. What kind of endless school is this? You was in university.
Pa, you know you did not go to school. So you will not understand what I'm doing there. But I'm not wasting my time there. See, I want to finish with my OND, my HND, my PhD, my BSc.
Biko. I'm tired of hearing all this APC, PDP. I don't understand I don't know what they mean. I'm asking for one simple thing. Graduate and come out. Go and do your youth service. If you want to work, you go and work. If you want to get married, get married. Is that too much to ask? People are beginning to talk.
Pa, it's okay now. I'm not wasting my time in that school. I'm telling you, very soon, I will come out with enviable certificate. You see. You know me now. I will make you proud.
You are sure?
Yes, Papa. Yes.
Yes. Okay. No problem.
Once I round up what I'm doing now, I'll take you to your grandmother. She has been asking of you, eh?
Pa, how is your evangelism and every other thing?
Oh,
How
the
is it going?
ministry is doing very well. The Lord has been faithful.
I hope you are praying for me.
Every day. You are my prayer point now. What else do I have?
You know, it's this prayer that will make me come out with a very good certificate.
No problem. I'll pray for you.
Yes, Pa, don't worry. I'll make you pardon.
That's good. Adam.
Gloria!
Ogasai. Ogasai, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
I thank God though.
And Junior?
Junior?
Yeah.
He went to my neighbor's house to play.
Oh, I see.
And how are you?
What God cannot do does not exist. You know, as you can see, he's doing me well. Yes, I'm good.
I can see that.
Yes.
And how is school? And my beautiful wife?
My dear, school is fine. Your wife, she is managing. She is managing.
I pity her. I can imagine what she's going through in this hard time. I don't know why my condition cannot change so I can support her the way I should. I don't know what is going on.
It's well. Just keep your faith in God and He will answer all your prayers. For what God cannot do can never exist. Have faith, believe in Him. You hear? As you can see, I'm just visiting. And now, so let me come and see you people and know how you're doing.
That's very thoughtful of you, eh?
It's okay. I give this to Junior and my regards to him. I will be traveling back tomorrow. You know my people are waiting for me.
Oh.
Yes, I have to be on my way now.
Oh, thank you so much, but give me a minute, please. I have a message from my wife. I'll be right back.
No problem,
Really?
What God cannot do does not exist. Just have faith. No? Have faith.
Please, give this to my wife, okay?
Oh.
Tell her I feel all her pains. This is all I have on me for now. I have been saving it for her. It's just 5,700.
You're such a good man. I'm sure she will appreciate this. See, take care of yourself and Junior, okay?
Thank you. Should I call Junior to say hi?
Oh, no. Let him have fun. Moreover, my presence here might remind him of his mom. So I don't want that.
Yes,
let him be.
You're right.
Yeah, it's nothing, It's nothing.
Thank you so much,
It's okay. Silas, I understand what you're going through. But I want you to know one thing. That what God cannot do does not exist. Just have that in mind. You know?
It's true.
And may God
Thanks
be
for
with
everything
you,
you've done for
it's
us.
okay. It's
God
nothing.
bless you.
Bye-bye,
Bye.
no longer trust me. Someone from somewhere comes to tell you rubbish about me, lies about me, and you believe. Silas, I have been faithful to you. Silas, I love you. God in heaven knows that I am innocent. And he will judge us all. He will judge us all. Listen, I'm leaving your house. Those people that are telling you lies, people that you believe, go and marry them. Me, as for me, I will leave your house. Why are you holding me? Allow me to go. Go and marry people that are telling you lies about me. Since you don't trust me, your wife.
I trust you. It's not like I don't trust you. Look, I'm very sorry. It's just that Udo sounded very convincing, therefore deceiving me. He deceived me. I am very sorry. Please don't go.
Can't you see?